My name is Marthajane Caldwell, and I would like to tell you a little bit more about me. I have a bachelor's, a master's, and a PhD in biology. I have been studying science for longer than I can remember. I have a passion and enthusiasm for passing that knowledge on to students. I can't tell you the number of high school students that I've taught that have hated science. The cool thing is that after they've had a class with me, a lot of them have changed their mind. And my favorite story was about one high school senior that couldn't stand science. She was a gifted child, and she needed a fourth science to graduate. So she took environmental science because she thought it would be easy. I changed her mind. So much so that she nominated me for the WTOC Top Teacher Award, and she was thinking about changing her journalism career from a political bent to environmental bent, and she's thinking about doing environmental documentaries because she listened to me when I said it's hard to get people interested in preserving something they know nothing about. And as she sat through my class, she began to see what I was saying, and she realized that the more she knew, the more she cared. This is why I'm teaching at the high school level. I use technology when I'm teaching my classes to do puzzles. What a puzzle for me is I assign each student a question. They then go to the web and they research that question. And these may be just little questions. Let's say we're interested in bacteria. We're starting a unit on bacteria. I have one student that wants to be a culinary arts expert, doesn't like science. So I say, fine. Your puzzle piece, investigate the types of bacteria that are used to make yogurt or cheese. I have another student that wants to be a deep sea diver. So I tell him, you need to go study the bacteria that are around the hydrothermic vents that do chemosynthesis. So when I can, I tailor make each puzzle piece to each student. They do their research, and then they bring their pieces back to the classroom. We then take each piece and we present our pieces. We put our puzzle together. Now the students are learning little bits from someone who's excited about their little bit. And hopefully that excitement will pass on and the room will catch fire.